Hi, I'm Christian from North Star IT, and this week I've got another tip from my desk. So I've just come back from a bit of travelling. I wanted to carry some work kit with me so I could dip into email and some marketing activities. And part of this work kit included my office desk phone.
Okay, boomer.
Yes, I know. However, I like a bit of physical hardware so that I can make phone calls without interfering with my laptop setup. Obviously the screen's only so big and having a soft phone interface, not so good. And to be honest with you, the soft phone interface to our telephone system, it's crap! Day one came to work. I had an important meeting to do. I actually wanted the person at the other end to believe I was in the UK at the time. So the incoming call came from our office telephone number. Plugged the phone into the internet router, laptop connected to Wi-Fi, email was all syncing up, looking at the phone. Then realised I don't have a power over Ethernet switch and I don't have a separate power supply for the telephone. I got on trusty Amazon and ordered a PoE adapter for my telephone, paid through the nose for it. However, it did mean a few days later, my telephone was back online, I rearranged the meeting and off we went. But it's always good to have a test run through first. So maybe this time, before I leave the country, I might well test all the equipment out first. And what's the line?
They may take our lives!
Plan to succeed or plan to fail, but just proof. It happens to the best of us. Until next time.